Okay, so this is my plant, this is your plant. This just doesn't seem fair.
Well, in all fairness to you, Danny, we actually droughted this.
It looks like it.
Well, this tip actually that I want to tell you about has to do with watering.
Okay, give us some tips on that, because when I have a plant like this, I just fill it up with water when I think about it, and then it usually soaks back down and I assume it's getting enough water.
Well, that's a good idea, and especially in containers like this that are small, these plants totally depend on us to do it.
Okay.
But there are some ways to tell if a plant needs some water. One way is if it's droopy, hopefully not this droopy, but droopy like this during the day, and in the evening comes back to life, it needs water.
Okay.
Another way to tell is if the leaves start to get a little gray or soft to the touch or shriveled like this,
Right.
it needs water.
Now, can you water them too much?
Oh, yes, you can. If a plant looks like this,
Right.
and you have felt the soil and it's wet or maybe really wet,
Uh-huh.
it definitely has had too much. So you might have actually taken it over the brink, but just give it a little bit of time to dry out the soil a little bit, and it will work.
Okay, well, since you know what you're talking about, I'll take this one home and see what you can do with that one.
Oh, sure, Danny, okay.